How to fix Telegram login problem. In today's short tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix your Telegram login issue easily and fast. So all what you wanna do is very simple actually. Just go into the settings and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, all what you wanna do next is just wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way down until you find your Telegram right here. Click on Telegram and then click on force stop. That's the first option you want to do, and then go into the storage. As you can see, when you click on storage, click on clear cache. Go back, click on power usage details, click on the app launch, enable the manage automatically, click OK, and then restart your mobile phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe into the channel, and thank you for watching this video.